Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So we're back at our weekly spot. We are at CVS and we are about to get into this week's deals. We got some good stuff going on, y'all. This should be a nice money maker week if everything works out properly. So let's get started with our first money maker deal. So the first moneymaker we're going to talk about is this deal on the Renew. So the Renew contact solution is actually on an unadvertised deal. So you will not find this in the sales ad, but you will find it in store where it is on sale for $7.99. On the Renew website, we have a $5 off printable coupon that you can print off that will bring this to $2.99. And then when you buy one, you're going to get back a $3 extra care buck, making this free already out the door with no CRTs. But I also have a couple CRTs that you can throw into this deal. I have a $3 eye care CRT and I have a 2 off of 8 Renew product CRT. So either one of those should work for this deal. With the $3 eye care CRT, that should be reduced down to $2.99. I should pay absolutely nothing out of pocket after both of those coupons are applied, and then I should get back a $3 extra care buck, making this not only free but a $3 moneymaker. All right, so next deal up is going to be a nice moneymaker on the Dial products. So we're going to grab $21 in Dial because Dial is on a special where if you spend $20, you are going to get back a $7 extra cure buck. So I'm going to grab 2 of these big 32-ounce bottles of body wash. Those are on sale for $7. And then I'm also going to grab 2 of the 6 packs of bar soap. Those are on sale 2 for $7. That is going to be $21 in products. And then let me show you the coupons we're going to use. Okay, so here is our complete Dial deal. So this is $21 in Dial, which qualifies us to get $7 in extra care bucks back. I have 2 different CRTs. So we have 2 $4 off of 10 Dial body wash CRTs. We're going to use both of those. And I have a buy one get one free coupon. So the buy one get one free coupon has a max and limit of $5.99. So that should take off $5.99. And I have a $2 off of 2 digital coupon that we're going to use for the bar soap. So after all of those coupons are applied, y'all, we're going to pay just $5.01 for all 4 items, and then we're going to get back $7. This is not only free, but is a $2 moneymaker. Okay, so let the money makers continue. The next deal we're going to do is a unadvertised deal, I believe, on the Burt's Bees. So these are on sale this week actually for $4.99. And then when you buy 2, you are going to get back a $4 extra care buck. In today's inserts, we also got $2 off manufacturer coupons. So we're going to pick up 2 of these right now as the first part of our oral care deal. The next thing I'm going to grab is I'm going to grab 4 of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. So these are also on sale this week for $2.99. And then when you buy 2, you are going to get back a $4 extra cure buck. So we're going to add these into our deal next. Okay, so here's my complete oral care deal today. I have 2 of the Burt's Bees. These are $4.99 a piece. You buy 2, you get back a $4 extra cure buck. I have 4 of the Colgate Max Fresh. So these are on sale for $2.99. You buy 2, you get back a $4 extra care buck. These are the coupons that we are going to use. So I have 4 50-cent off coupons that we're going to use for the Colgate Max Fresh. I have 2 $2 off coupons from today's inserts that we're going to use on the Burt's Bees. I also have a $3 off whitening CRT. That whitening CRT will work on the Max Fresh and the Burt's Bees. So both of those will apply with this $3 CRT. And I have a 3 off of 18 oral care CRT that we're going to add into this deal. So after all of those coupons are applied, I'm going to end up paying like $9.98, I believe, and then I will get back a $12 extra care buck. So I'll get back $8 in extra care bucks from the Colgate, and I will get back $4 in extra care bucks for the Burt's Bees, making these babies not only free, but all 6 products will be a $2 moneymaker. Also, I want you guys to know that the Colgate Total and Optic White, those products are on a special this week where you buy 3 for $5 each, and then you can use the $5 off of 3 digital coupon that we have, and you'll get back a $5 extra care buck. That deal would also work out to be free for me this week, but I'm intentionally bypassing that deal this week because we have a better deal coming next week. You may also even want to hold your $3 off whitening CRT for that deal that is coming next week, but that is why I'm holding on to that $5 off of 3 digital, just in case you're curious. Okay, so now let's get into the spend 40, get back $10 in extra care bucks deal. So spend 40, get 10 is always a challenging deal to put together. You really got to work to make something happen to make it still come out to a good deal. But y'all, not only did I make it come out to a good deal, but this is going to be a money maker deal. Yes, we're going to make money on this deal. So the way we're going to make money is we're going to start out by buying 3 of the Tampax Pure organic tampons. And I'm super excited about this because I've been wanting to try the organic ones. So these are $7.99, and we have a $2 digital coupon, and we have $2 off coupons in the August P&G. They are also on sale, buy one get one 50% off, and included in our spend 40 get back 10. But now what makes them a money maker for us, and you'll see after I tell you about the complete deal, is that we also have a $3 rebate on Ibotta for each box that you purchase with a limit of 3. So buying 3 of these, we are going to get $9 in cash back from Ibotta. All right, so the next thing we're going to grab in our spend 40 scenario is the Pantene shampoo and conditioner. Now, this Pantene will also be on a deal next week that you may want to save your digital coupon for, so keep that in mind. If you do want to save your digital coupon, you can also swap out the Pantene for the Herbal Essence Bio Renew. We have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon that will work pretty good on this deal. It'll only be $1 more expensive. I'm going to grab the Pantene, and I'm also going to save my $5 off of 3 digital by using this $5 off of 3 paper coupon that expired yesterday. This will still work in my store, so I'm going to go ahead and use it, along with a $2 off Pantene CRT and a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT. I will be able to use the 4 off of 18 because I will be buying more hair care that I will show you in just a second. All right, and the final item that we're going to grab in our spend 40 deal is 2 of the Tide Pods. So these are on sale like they are almost every week for $4.94. We have a $2 digital coupon, and we also have $2 insert coupons from the P&G. We may also have a printable available on the P&G website as well, so just use whichever works for you. So we are going to use 2 $2 coupons as the final item in our spend 40 deal. Okay, so here's my complete spend 40 get back 10 deal. I have 3 of the Pantene shampoo and conditioner, so we're going to be using the $5 off of 3 manufacturer coupon on these, plus a $2 off CRT, plus a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT. Then I have 3 of the Tampax Pure, so we're going to use 3 $2 off manufacturer coupons on these, and I also have a 2 off of 16 feminine care CRT. Then I have 2 of the Tide Pods. We're going to be using 2 $4 off manufacturer coupons on these. After all of our coupons are applied, y'all, we should just be paying $18.85 for all of these items. And then we're going to get back a $10 extra care buck, making it just $8.85 for all of these items. So that's $8.85 for 8 products. But here's where this deal becomes free plus a moneymaker. Remember that we do have an Ibotta rebate for the Tampax Pure. So we're going to get back $9 after paying $8.85. Y'all, all 8 items are going to be free plus a 15-cent moneymaker. Okay, so now we're going to do another moneymaker deal on the CoverGirl Cosmetics. So these are buy 2, get back a $7 extra care buck this week. So we're going to grab 2 products. I'm going to get 1 of these eyebrow fillers for $9.49, and then I'm going to get 1 of the pencils for $5.99. I will be using 2 $3 off manufacturer coupons from today's Smart Source and a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT. After these coupons are applied, I will just be paying $6.48, but then I'm going to get back a $7 extra care buck, making both products not only free, but a 52-cent moneymaker. All right, so now we're going to do a nice deal on the Garnier makeup remover towelettes. I love this product, so I'm super excited to stay stocked up on these. So these are on sale, $7.79. Buy one, get one 50% off. And we have $2 off manufacturer coupons. We have a $2 off insert coupon, and we have a $2 printable from coupons.com, and we have a digital coupon. So use whichever works for you. I also have a $2 off CRT on this product. So I'm going to buy two. I'm going to use the two manufacturer coupons and the $2 CRT. We'll pay $5.68, but then get back a $5 extra cure buck, making it just 68 cents for two of these. Okay, so now we're going to do a nice deal on the Dove hair care. So this is on sale too for $8 this week, and then when you buy two, you're going to get back a $2 extra cure buck. We have a $3 off of two manufacturer coupon that we're going to use today, and I have a $2 off Dove hair care CRT. So when we use both of those, we are going to pay $3 out of pocket for two bottles, but then we're going to get back a $2 extra cure buck, making these only 50 cents each, which is a great price for Dove. If you download the $1.50 off of two digital coupon that is no longer available, I did not even download this coupon and I'm sad. It will probably come off with your paper coupon, making these not only free, but a moneymaker. All right, you guys, so this is everything that we are grabbing today. I'm not going to stack this up and make it look pretty. You guys already know what we got. We got a pretty full cart here, and this cart should be a moneymaker cart after we get done. So I have all of my coupons pulled for these items already, and I have all of my extra cure bucks that we are going to use in today's deal already pulled as well. I'm going to be using a lot of coupons and a lot of extra cure bucks. I think I have about $48 in extra cure bucks pulled. That includes my $10 Cure Pass reward that just loaded. So we're going to use all of that, but we should get all of that plus more back. So let's go up to the front and check out and see how everything works.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
All right, you guys, so let's go over this transaction. Before we get started, y'all, once again, look at this receipt. My receipts at CVS are just always a whole situation, but everything worked out really good except for one little hiccup. But y'all, this transaction was a money maker, just like we wanted it to be. So let me show you my receipt and how everything worked out. So here's a close-up of our receipt. So there is the dial, there is the Dove. The Dove was the one issue that we had. There's the Pantene, there is the Colgate Max Fresh, there is the what is that? Oh, that's the Burt's Bees. There is the big bottles of Dow body wash. Here is the Renew. There is the Tide Pods. There is the Garnier wipes. Here is our Tampax Pure, which was our money maker, and then there is the CoverGirl products right there. So all of our manufacturer coupons scanned with no problem except for one. and that was the $3 off of 2 Dove hair care manufacturer coupon. That baby beeped for me, not sure why. So that was the only reason that we even had a subtotal today, because that coupon would just not go through. Then here are all of our digital coupons and our CRTs. Those worked out perfectly. There's our Dial, our Tampax, our Garnier. Here is our 2 $4 off of 10 Dial CRTs. Those worked out perfectly. That $3 off eye care CRT came off. It reduced down to $2.99, making that Renew a $3 moneymaker. That was so good. And then there are all of the other CRTs that we used. Here are all of the extra care bucks that we used. So I used a $10 care pass reward plus $38 in extra care bucks. And here is our subtotal. So our subtotal came up to $2.96, and I had $6.86 in tax, y'all. Y'all know my taxes are crazy. And so today we saved $162.89 with a 98% savings value. Now let me show you everything that we got back. So we got back the $10 for the Spend 40 deal. We got back the $5 for the Garnier. We got back the $8 for the Colgate. We got back the $4 for the Burt's Bees. We got back the $3 for the Renew. That was a super money maker. We got back the $7 for the Dial deal. We got back the $2 for the Dove hair care. And we got back the $7 for the CoverGirl Cosmetics. And right here in this store, I just scanned my receipt into Ibotta to get me $9 in cash back that I have already submitted for. So we also are getting $9 in cash. So this is a total of $46 in extra care bucks back. We're also going to get some beauty bucks back, I'm pretty sure, from this deal, and we're getting $9 in cash back after spending $2.96 plus tax out of pocket, y'all. This was such a good money maker. This trip I made about $3 even with that Dove coupon not going through. So I'm super excited about that. I hope these deals were helpful for you all. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button if they were. Check below in the Google document for a written breakdown of all of today's deals. And as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.